Are you intrigued by the boundless possibilities of harnessing the power of AI to generate substantial financial gains? Indeed, you have found yourself in the perfect location. In this exceptional video, we will unveil the secrets to initiate your prosperous journey in generating substantial wealth through the remarkable power of artificial intelligence. Waste no time and seize this opportunity to embark on your financial triumph today. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is spearheading a remarkable revolution across various industries, including the financial realm. Embracing AI has the potential to revolutionize and optimize your bank account, leading to significant financial gains. However, one does not require an extensive background in technology or a computer science degree to capitalize on this thrilling prospect. There exist numerous lucrative avenues to generate wealth through the utilization of AI, and among the most accessible alternatives lies in the realm of becoming an esteemed AI data labeler. Enterprises and scholars alike are fervently seeking to cultivate their AI models, yet they require top-notch annotated data to accomplish this feat. That's precisely where you, as a financial champion, step into the picture. By strategically annotating various forms of data, such as images, videos, or audio, astute individuals like yourself have the opportunity to generate a substantial income while simultaneously making a valuable contribution to the advancement of artificial intelligence. One promising avenue to consider delving into is the development of cutting-edge AI-powered applications. Given the plethora of open-source AI frameworks and libraries available, there is no need for you to commence your endeavors from square one. By strategically harnessing the power of established tools, one can adeptly craft innovative applications that effectively address tangible challenges in the real world. For individuals possessing exceptional coding prowess, the art of constructing and marketing AI models presents an extraordinary avenue for substantial financial gains. One can leverage their expertise in AI to craft powerful models that tackle targeted objectives, be it the discernment of intricate visual patterns or the comprehension of human language. These exceptional creations can subsequently be monetized through astute sales or licensing arrangements with enterprises seeking such cutting-edge solutions. It's akin to developing a highly profitable product once and generating multiple streams of revenue from its sales. If coding isn't within your realm of expertise, rest assured. In the realm of financial prowess, one can discover remarkable platforms that enable the deployment of pre-trained AI models, thereby facilitating the creation of immersive and interactive experiences. One can effortlessly construct AI chatbots, virtual assistants, or recommendation systems devoid of any manual coding. Absolutely thrilled to embark on this exhilarating journey of generating substantial wealth through the power of AI. Let us seize this opportunity and commence our prosperous financial endeavors without delay. Always keep in mind that the world of finance offers endless opportunities for those who are willing to take the plunge and seize its full potential. Continue to engage in a relentless pursuit of knowledge, actively exploring and experimenting with the vast realm of artificial intelligence, for it holds within it a plethora of lucrative opportunities waiting to be seized. Thank you for tuning in and engaging with our content. If you discovered this video to be of great value, I strongly encourage you to subscribe to our channel for an abundance of insights, strategies, and tutorials. Prepare yourself to unleash the potential of your AI investments, and until our next encounter, may your pursuit of AI riches be fruitful.